Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing well and let's get started with day 186. So today was a little different from my usual weekends. I actually woke up at 8 a.m. in the morning, but I didn't jump straight out of the bed. I stayed there for about an hour, just laying down, trying to wake up properly and mentally prepare for day ahead. The reason today was different is because my mom and dad had to go out for my dad eye checkup regarding his cataract. Since both of them were away, we had to take care of the responsibilities of home as well as our shop. Around 9 a.m. I got out of bed and started doing the household chores. There was not too much thing, but so I spent the next couple of hours helping around the house. By the time everything was done, it was already 11 a.m. After that, I quickly got ready, and by like 12 p.m., I was downstairs at our shop. Since our shop is on the ground floor and our home is on the second floor, going back and forth is easy, but managing everything still makes takes time and energy. From 12 to 2 p.m. I handle the shop. Nothing too exciting happened, but yeah, you know how it is when you're responsible for the shop. You have to like stay attentive the whole time. At around like 2 p.m. my brother took over, so I finally came back upstairs. I had my lunch, and honestly, I was pretty tired by then. I spent some time just relaxing and trying to recharge because I knew I would have to like head back to the shop later. I stayed home till around like 5 p.m. Then it was time to take charge of the whole shop again. From like 5 to 8 p.m. I was back downstairs managing everything. Before I knew it, it was already closing time. It's funny how quickly time passes when you are busy with the entire day. So after closing the shop at 8 p.m., I finally came home. Even though I was tired, I didn't want to skip my workout. So I completed my exercise, had my dinner, and slowly started winding down. Meanwhile, my mom and dad also returned from the hospital after my dad's cataract checkup. Thankfully, everything related to visit was done, and it felt good having everyone back home after such a busy day. But by the time I was finally free, it was already 10:30 p.m. and honestly, today made me realize something that I really, I really didn't get any personal time, not even an hour where I could sit properly, peacefully, and work on something for myself. But that's life. Sometimes there are days where responsibility comes first. Finally, family comes first, work comes first, and your own plan have to wait. What interesting is that this isn't just today. The past two weekends have been like this. Instead of relaxing or catching up on my work, my skills, I've been busy handling responsibilities. Of course, I do miss having that free time, but at the same time, I know these things matters too. Being there for your family is important, and one day I will probably look and appreciate this day more than I do now. Hopefully next weekend I will get a little time to focus on my things, work on personal goals, and maybe even take a small break. But for today, that's how day 186 went. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this journey. It really means a lot that you're following along with my daily life. If you like enjoyed today's vlog, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment telling me how your day went. I read your comments and I genuinely enjoy seeing what everyone is up to. Take care of yourself, keep working toward your goals, and stay healthy. And I will see you in the next vlog. Till then, tata, bye bye.